welcome back to my channel, and for today's video ay mag-unbox ako ng Valentine's present that I got from an IG follower and a very good friend of mine from Belgium. So he sent this package on January 26th and I just got this. It's already February 18 today. Yeah, 18, so it's like almost 3 weeks from Belgium to Hong Kong. So I'm excited to open this. If you're watching right now, thank you so much for this Valentine's present. So I'm going to unbox this. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Wait a minute, because I'm just unboxing it inside my room. Wait, I have to open this. I'm sorry, I'm just carried away. I don't want to break the box. It smells good. It smells good. It smells Belgium. Wait a minute. So this is just a quick unboxing. Smells good. Tissue pa lang. Oh my god. Wow, a lot of tissue. You pack it with a lot of tissue. Oh. Sorry. Oh my gosh. So look at first. And look at this. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. I don't know what's this, but this is so cute. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is the first one, so we have another one, I think. Yeah, let's check. There's more? Oh, this is so cute. I also got this soap and yeah, this one. So I got this and this for my Valentine's present. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to get this gift. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I'm going to open this. So we will try to open this. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I don't feel like opening this. This is so good. Here's my scissor. Oh my god, this is so good. Yay! Oh my god, Chanel. This is so good. Oh my god. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? So I got Chanel perfume and this. I love it. So ito na nga. I already opened the gift that was given to me. The soap and what's this? Can you see it? Chanel. Ooh, look at that. Isn't it amazing? So we will open this. $35 ml. Wow. Oops. Wow, it's so cute. This is so cute. Wait a minute. This is so cute. Thank you so much. What's this? How do you read that one? So you want to try? I love it. I feel like I just finished a shower. I love this scent. Thank you so much. I love it. Good thing about this is I can bring it anywhere because the packing is not too big and it's not heavy. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. I love it. I really love it. So this one is, we'll try to open. What's this? Sorry. What is this? If anyone knows what's this, please comment down below. What is this for? I don't know. Can anyone tell me? Or I should not open this plastic. Sorry, I put it down. Oh, I love it. Made in France. Yay! I've got this. So thank you so much. Thank you so much to the person who gave this. And thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you'll be updated on my next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!